Hey there, future millionaires. Ever wondered, should I buy Bitcoin or stick with gold bars like a Bond villain? It's the 21st century's big question, digital currency versus precious metals. One's all about ones and zeros, the other's been dug out of the ground for centuries. Both promise to hold value, but which one's right for you? Buckle up because we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, gold, and silver. Now, you might be thinking, John, isn't this a bit dry? And to that I say, have seen the price of gold lately? Things are about to get spicy. We're talking about your hard-earned cash here, people. So, let's break it down, shall we? First up, Bitcoin. Imagine digital cash, but instead of being tied to a bank, it exists on a giant global spreadsheet. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain, which is like a public ledger everyone can see. Sounds complicated? It kinda is. But here's the thing. Bitcoin's value comes from its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and as more people buy in, the price goes up. Think of it like a digital Beanie Baby, but hopefully less likely to end up in your grandma's attic. On the other side, we have gold and silver, the OGs of the money world. For centuries, these shiny metals have been a symbol of wealth and stability. Why? Because they're tangible. You can hold them, melt them down, though I wouldn't recommend it. And unlike that ex who broke your heart, they're not going anywhere. Gold and silver are also finite resources, meaning there's only so much of it in the ground. This scarcity contributes to their value. Plus, they have industrial uses, which adds to their appeal. Think electronics, jewelry, and even those fancy space blankets they wrap marathon runners in. So, who comes out on top? Well, it's complicated. Bitcoin offers potentially high returns but comes with high volatility. It's like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. Gold and silver are seen as safer bets, especially during economic downturns, but their growth potential might be slower. It's like a slow and steady tortoise, but hey, slow and steady wins the race, right? Ultimately, the best choice depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're young and looking for high risk, high reward, Bitcoin might be your jam. If you prefer a more stable investment with historical backing, gold and silver might be a better fit. Or, you could just invest in a really good sandwich. Those are always a safe bet.